everybody. It is my dad's birthday, and my daughter's laughing in the background. We're trying some Great Value Fudge ice cream. I'm gonna give it a taste. Never had it before. Don't mind the background noise. It is a birthday party. Her? That's pretty good. I'd give it about a 7.5 out of 10. And then my dad's girlfriend, Pat, made a homemade apple pie for his birthday. You kind of see. Here, have a bite. It's very good. Lots of cinnamon flavor. I'd give it about 8.5, 9 out of 10. It's very good. So, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.